Memory for the object is allocated in the memory when the constructor is called. It is a special kind of method. Uh, it is a special kind of method that is used to get the atom started. At least one constructor is invoked every time an object is created with the new keyword. There are four types. There are four types of constructor in Java. First, default constructor, parameterized constructor, private constructor, and copy constructor. First, default constructor. The default constructor is automatically provided by Java. Is if no in no other constructor is explicitly defined in the class. It takes no argument and initialize the object with the default value. For example, null for reference type 0, for numeric type false, for boolean. Default constructor, there is no argument is explicitly defined in the class. The Java compiler provides the default constructor with no parameters that initialize the object with default values. Definition: a default constructor is no argument constructor automatically provided by Java. There is no other constructor are defined in the class. Purpose. Purpose: the initialization of object with the default value. Second is a no argument constructor. A constructor that does not take any argument. If you define any other constructor, you should also define non-argument constructor if we need one. Definition: a constructor that does not take any parameter. Purpose: often used to set default values to perform default setup. Third is a parameterized constructor, a constructor that take argument to provide different ways of initializing the object. Definition: a constructor that take definition: the constructor that takes argument to initialize the object with a specific values. Purpose: allow for more flexible and specific object creation. Next is a parameter constructor is used when you have a class with multiple instance variable, and you want to initialize them with specific value at time of the object creation. Next is a copy constructor. Copy constructor definition: a constructor is a constructor that creates a new object as a copy of an existing object. Purpose: create a duplicate object with the same values and existing object. Copy constructor is a special constructor that create new object by copying the state of another object of the same class. It allows to create a new object with the same value of an existing object, ensuring that the object is an independent copy, not just reference to the original one. It's